Who actually hurt you that day?
Cupid, maybe.
Look who's here. The new alpha of the Vittorelli wolf pack.
Spit it out. You've got 3 minutes. Your father's barely cold in his grave, and you won't even see your own uncle. From now on, the Vittorelli wolf pack stays out of arms dealing. No more killing. We're legitimate businessmen only.
I know you want to go legit, but without these rackets, what do our thousands of guys do? Starve?
This is not a negotiation. This is an order.
You're destroying the empire we built? Fine, then don't expect me to hold back. Damon, go join your father in hell!
If it weren't for you and your stupid arms deal, my dad would still be alive.
Damon, you really think you're walking away from this today?
Ugh. Kill him! Kill him now! No one leaves here alive!
Boss, go! I got your back! Put him down! Chase him! Stop! This way! Go! Fall back! Now!
I want a proper explanation, or I'm calling the cops.
Hope I survive long enough to go with you.
You're hurt? Don't move, Wolf.
You're a vampire, aren't you? Why save a wolf?
I'm a vampire, but I'm a nurse first. I just stopped the bleeding. If you don't want to die, get to a hospital ASAP.
I can explain this time. I'm in love with you. Is that reason enough?
Never should have saved the wolf.
Boss, you're hit! Let's get you to the hospital now. No. What? Your shoulder's bleeding out. She shot me. Not a bullet. An angel. Find her.
Dad, Mom, I'm off to work.
I'll drive you.
It's not far away.
Mrs. Hastings, we meet again.
Who the hell are you guys? Watch your mouth talking to our boss? Ever heard of the Hong Gang?
I'm just a regular businessman now.
You're Damon?
That's right. I'm here to tell you. I want your daughter.
What does that mean?
It means I'm gonna marry her, father-in-law.
I am not your father-in-law.
How did their family get mixed up with a werewolf? That werewolf doesn't look like a good guy.
Go away! You must be joking! My daughter will never marry a werewolf!
I'm not joking. I'm marrying her no matter what.
In your dreams!
You gonna invite me in for a chat? Father-in-law.
Come in. I'm a cop! I will never marry my daughter off to a gangster!
A cop? Then you should be even more eager to marry her to me. Look at this place. It's a dump. How much do you make a month as a cop? Can you even give her a decent life? But don't worry. Marry her to me, and I'll make your whole family rich overnight.
Over my dead body!
Marriage is not a game. You don't even know my daughter. Besides, you're different species. How can you even think about this?
Mother-in-law, if I want to. Everyone in Hansham is transparent to me, and there's no bad blood between werewolves and
vampires anymore.
Then you should know my family has been cops for 3 generations. My son died taking down a werewolf gang. How dare you make such an outrageous demand?
You got it wrong. This isn't a demand. It's a notice. I'll come pick you up in a few days. Get ready.
I'm already engaged.
Oh yeah? That'll be canceled soon.
Serena!
Caleb!
This is your fiancé?
Who the hell are you?
As of today, you are single.
That's what happened. I had no idea he was Damon.
You two need to get married as soon as possible.
I agree.
Will that work? It's Damon we're talking about.
So what? I don't believe he'd dare kidnap someone right under a cop's nose.
Don't worry, Serena. I'll protect you.
You look even more charming when you're working.
What the hell do you want?
I already know you very well, and I think it's time my fiancé got to know me too.
3 years ago, you were at war with the Tiger Gang. My brother. Andrew died on the spot, and my dad got shot in the leg. If you really knew me, how dare you even stand here?
Andrew's death was an accident. Since I took over the family, we haven't done anything illegal.
You think that will change the past?
Mrs. Hastings, the largest real estate, telecom, and oil companies in this city are all mine. Do you know how many people count on me?
Do you think that makes you a philanthropist?
Mr. Vitarelli! Thank you so much for your generous donation to our medical fund. You are such a philanthropist.
This was all Mrs. Hastings' idea. She's deeply passionate about healthcare. You should give her a raise.
Sure, a 5-fold raise.
Sir, may I borrow Miss Hastings for half a day?
No problem at all.
I'm busy.
Serena, you're free to go.
Sir!
You'll be getting a new hospital wing.
Oh, thank you so much.
Put me down! Put me down! Put me down! Put me down!
Hope to see you again.
Put me down right now! Put me down! What the hell are you doing? You're insane!
Don't test my patience.
You're insane.
I have a gift for you. Do you like it?
You're invading my privacy.
Everything about you is mine. And everything I have is yours. See that? All those buildings belong to me. If you ask, I'll give them all to you. But if you try to run, I swear I'll scour the city to find you.
We are the hunted. We are the chosen.
You think you can buy everything, including love.
As long as I'm rich enough.
Mr. Vitarelli, you are rich. But I pity you. Because in love, you're actually quite poor.
Do you know what you're saying?
I'm aware. You repulse me.
Speak.
What was so urgent that you had to call me back?
Damon! Sophia is back in the country!
Sophia? Who is that?
You met her before, dear. She's my niece.
Is that so? I don't really remember.
Damon, you're not getting any younger. Your father cared most about your marriage before he passed. Sophia comes from a good family and has a nice personality. If you two settle down soon, I can finally have an explanation.
Mom, I already have someone I want to marry.
What?
Oh? Really? Which family is she from? When will you bring her back to meet us?
On the wedding day, you'll find out.
Mom! Damon isn't your biological son after all. If he doesn't marry Sophia, won't our family's property be taken advantage of by an outsider?
Be quiet. Do you want everyone to hear you?
First, go find out who the woman he's talking about is. I don't believe we can't ruin this marriage.
Are you insane? Do you know who that is? Damon, the werewolf alpha who runs this entire city.
I'm not kidding. I have to marry Serena.
Do you want to get us killed?
Once I'm married to Serena, what can he do? This is a law-based society.
Why are you so stubborn?
Mom, Serena and I grew up together. She needs me now. I have to marry her.
Come back!
This woman? She could be your plaything. How can you marry her? Are you insane?
Since when do you have a say in my affairs?
But she has no background. And she's a vampire. If you marry her, the entire Vitarelli family will be a laughingstock.
I am her background. Who dares laugh at her? Who is bold enough to laugh at her?
Freaking lunatic.
What the hell is wrong with you? It's the middle of the night. Some people are trying to sleep.
Boss, keep going.
What the hell do you want?
Hold still. Why didn't you answer my call?
I didn't hear it.
Has anyone ever told you suck at lying?
What the hell do you want? I'm engaged. Stop harassing me.
Your fiancé? He's not even worth my time.
At least he doesn't make me a neighborhood joke.
Marry me. I'll make sure no one dares disrespect you.
Never. I love my fiancé and I'll never love you.
It doesn't matter. I love you. That's enough. You didn't like the gifts I sent you last time. I picked out some new ones.
Boss, here.
Not everyone can be bought with money.
Boss, should I bring her back? No. Miss Hastings has a fiancé. What if they get married behind your back? Whoever dares to marry my woman, his whole family will be run out of this city.
I love you. I'm putting Serena in your hands. Take good care of her.
Look at them. What a perfect match.
This song you taught me? I've played it 2,000 times. I dreamed of playing it for you on our wedding day. Today, that dream has finally come true.
Freeze! Don't fucking move! Who the fuck gave you the balls to take my woman?
No! Don't do it!
What the hell is wrong with you? It's the middle of the night. Some people are trying to sleep.
Boss, keep going.
What the hell do you want?
Hold still. Why didn't you answer my call?
I didn't hear it.
Has anyone ever told you you suck at lying?
What the hell do you want? I'm engaged. Stop harassing me.
Your fiancé? He's not even worth my time.
At least he doesn't make me a neighborhood joke.
Marry me. I'll make sure no one dares disrespect you.
Never. I love my fiancé and I'll never love you.
It doesn't matter. I love you. That's enough. You didn't like the gifts I sent you last time. I picked out some new ones.
Boss, here.
Not everyone can be bought with money.
Boss, should I bring her back? No. Miss Hastings has a fiancé. What if they get married behind your back? Whoever dares to marry my woman, his whole family will be run out of this city.
I love you. I'm putting Serena in your hands. Take good care of her.
Look at them. What a perfect match.
This song you taught me? I've played it 2,000 times. I dreamed of playing it for you on our wedding day. Today, that dream has finally come true.
Freeze! Don't fucking move! Who the fuck gave you the balls to take my woman?
No! Don't do it!